Welcome to this special bundle set of modules that I've created for you. Now, when we look at actually using drones in the classroom, a lot of parents are a bit concerned. Why are our kids playing with drones? Aren't they things that are used for warfare? Aren't they just toys? Why on earth would teachers or educators find drones to be useful? Well, there are lots of reasons why. And so in this set of modules today, you're going to be able to see some of the theory behind the digital technologies curriculum here in Australia. Now, that is actually translatable to a lot of other international countries. We're also going to be looking at the Australian regulations, but please also bear in mind that our airspace regulations here in Australia are actually very similar to many other countries in the world, and indeed, other countries tend to use Australia as a bit of a benchmark when it comes to drone regulation. If you are in a particular country and would like us to produce some modules that are specific to your country and your airspace regulations, let us know. The following countries are already on our radar to have content produced. That is the USA, Canada, the UK, New Zealand, Japan, China, and India. But if you're somewhere else, please let us know and we'll get some content made for you too. The final thing I do need to say to you is, the information provided to you today is a guide. The training here does not actually absolve you of any health, safety, or airspace safety or regulation requirements that you might have. So take it as a guide and a bit of edutainment, but please make sure that you follow all the proper protocols and safety aspects before you get involved with flying drones. See you in the community.